In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore or recover closed tabs in Google Chrome after a restart. If you've ever closed a tab by mistake, or even closed an entire Chrome window and wanted to get it back, don't worry. Chrome includes a quick built-in way to recover your recent browsing session, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Let's start with recovering a single closed tab. First, open Google Chrome. If there was a tab you just closed and you want to bring it back right away, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and T at the same time. As soon as you press that shortcut, Chrome will reopen the most recently closed tab. This is one of the fastest ways to undo an accidental tab closure, and it's especially useful if you close something by mistake and want it back immediately. If needed, you can repeat that same shortcut again to continue bringing back recently closed tabs in the order they were closed. This makes it a very handy method when you've accidentally closed more than one tab and want to restore them quickly without searching through menus. Now let's look at what to do if you accidentally close an entire Chrome window instead of just one tab. In that case, open Chrome again. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click History. This section shows your recent browsing activity, including tabs and windows that were recently closed. Inside the History menu, look for the Recent Tabs area. Here, you should see the recently closed window listed, often showing how many tabs were inside it. Click that entry, and Chrome will restore the closed window along with the tabs that were open in it. This is the easiest way to recover a full browsing window after it has been closed accidentally. A helpful tip is to do this as soon as possible after the tab or window is closed, since it's much easier to find the correct item in your recent history when your session is still fresh. Also, make sure you're restoring the right tab or window by checking the title shown in the history list before clicking. That's all it takes to restore closed tabs or even a closed window in Google Chrome after a restart. Once you know the shortcut and where to find the history option, recovering your work becomes quick and simple.